And welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to assemble a 3D printer. So the 3D printer that I will assemble is Ender 3. So it is the most affordable 3D printer which I have already shown you the unboxing, but in this video I will show you part by part assembly. So how to assemble a 3D printer after purchasing. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, you can see the base part is almost ready. You don't need to do anything on the base part. It will come in pre-assembled condition. You can see it here, it is already pre-assembled. So now as per the chart, assembly chart, first thing you have to do, step 1, you will require 16 and 16 number to install. So let's see, here is the 15 and the 16 number part. So these two is the 15 and 16 part. So I have to assemble it on the base part. So the bar number 16, you can see there is two hole only. So here is the bar number 16 and bar number 15 is this one. There must be two hole as shown in the figure. So first install 15 and 16 and we will require M545 bolt 4 piece as shown in the figure. So friend, I have installed the 16 number part and I have to now install the 15 number part. So friend, both the vertical slot are installed, you can see it here. Now you have to go to step 2. You have to install the front screen, this one. That means you have to install this screen. So friend, now I have installed the screen part. So now you have to install this, step 3. And after that, after in step 4, I have to install the adapter unit, the power supply. So friend, I have connected the power supply and I will install it. In this position. So friend, now I have installed the limit. You can see it here. Here is the limit, and after that I will install this Z-axis servo. Here is the Z-axis servo. You have to install it here. And we will require M418 bolt to fix it. Friend, you have to go to step 5 and 6. So you have to take one of this bar and install this part, and then you have to install this one. So let's install it. So friend, the most critical part is this one. So as per step 5, step 6, step 7, you have to do simultaneously. So here is, you can see step 5 and 6, step 5, 6, and after that you have to install this unit like this way. You have to install this unit like this way. So friend, you can see I have installed step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8 and step 9 is almost completed. So you can see it here friend. So friend, after installing this all the unit, you can see it is completed, and most of the time will be required to assemble all these parts. So don't worry, the total setup is not so critical. You can easily install all the unit without any issue, and after completion it look like this. So 90% of the installation part is now completed. You can see it here friend. Now I am installing the last part, that is the top part, V slot. It basically holds the column 15 and 16 together. So the assembly part is almost completed, you can see. Let's check how it works. So I am now printing, and you can see all the connection is okay, so it is printing. So in the next part I will try to show you how to install the software in computer and how to run it directly from computer. So you can run this printer from computer or with the help of the screen provided in this printer itself. So you can see the print quality is quite good, and from my viewpoint this type of printer is good for project activities. And I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe SND Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.